Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add numbering list on right side in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add number list on right side. Go to the Insert menu firstly. Then select the Draw Text Box option and draw a text box from this page. Then click inside the text box and write anything. Now I write some text. Then select this text, click and drag on our mouse and go to the text box menu and increase the font size. Then we go back the home menu and select the numbering and choose any numbering. Then go to the align section and choose right align. Then click outside of the text box. Now we can see we add numbering list on right side very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.